Man, I put a little bit too much up there.
Just a little.
You can grab that screw, it just drops it. There it is.
Huh? I got it.
Yeah. Okay, so we got this buell tape, I think is how it's pronounced. Now a buell tape, or I'm not sure exactly how it's said, but this is basically what seals it up. It's like a putty kind of, when you start peeling it back. And then we're just basically gonna align the trim here, so when we fix it to that, it helps seal it up. Okay. Good, bro? Okay, so once you get the door set up with that sealant, go ahead and start getting it fixed into where it needs to be. Careful of the plastic. Into where it needs to be. Careful of the plastic. Like I said, we want to keep that on there because that's going to help protect all this once we get it all set. Boink. There you go. Up there, that's fine. Once you put this up, it's kind of a beauty cover for the top, and acts as a functional done, take the plastic, fold it back over, and it'll help protect the paint as well as some of this here. Give it a shot, and it's locked. have this side all done, let's go hit up the other side. Let's get that knocked out, and then we're also gonna get the front done. So that all we're waiting on is the roof to get that all finished up and go from there. Just like that, we have the passenger side all done. Doors in. We also didn't record this, apologize, but we added some Scar Audio marine speakers to the side over here that we cut out. Basically, we just use the same thing. We use the trimmer here, put it in there, cut it out, mounted them, seal them up, they're ready to go. Doors installed, we got it all trimmed up, ready to go, and now we're getting ready to lay the front. Gonna get this all cleaned up really good. We have our measurements marked out on here, and we're gonna get this all cut, get it glued down, and then start adding some of the angle pieces to the side here, and start getting her to a point of sealing her up and getting her ready for the road. Get over.
First it's financially said look it up. Now it's hopefully short but brother.
I have the dogs out in the yard, so don't do we can go over.